por favor.
Pois não, o que deseja?
Você fala inglês?
Desculpe, mas não compreendo. Não é
David Palmer? Where is the... você sabe onde está David Palmer?
Sinto muito. Tá vendo, enfermeira de recepção? Posso ajudar a reception?
Yeah, well, wait a minute. David, how is he?
Don't try to talk.
Look, my name is Fiona Thompson. I'm a friend of Mr. Palmer's. Is he all right?
There are some internal injuries. We have to operate to see how bad the hemorrhage is.
You've got to find it.
He is under the effect of sedatives.
It's true to the could swell again.
Yeah, yes. Oh, David, don't worry. We'll find it. Oh, David, how is he?
There was some internal bleeding, but that has now stopped. There would need to be much rest for Senor Palmer to recuperate. Then all will be well.
Oh, thank you.
Now, you yourself should get some rest.
Yes. As a matter of fact, I'm feeling a little bit tired. I think I should try and get myself a cup of coffee and something to eat. Is there a...
There is a canteen on the floor below.
Oh, thank you. What do you want?
I came to tell you how sorry I am to hear about your friend's most unfortunate accident.
If you think for one moment that you're going to get away with this, you've got another thing coming. I've told the police.
Is that so, Senora? And what did you tell them?
That Quinteros had David Palmer beaten up.
And did they not laugh in your face? Senor Quinteros is a very respected man. He has a lot of friends in the policia. As soon as Senor Palmer recovers, you should take him on the next plane back to Australia. Senora Stone is dead. Forget about her.
If David Palmer wants to keep looking for her, there is no way that I can stop him.
I suggest you try.